Unleashed allows you to add supplier records that contain their key details. Let's have a look at an existing supplier record for Carta. The Details tab is used to set up the supplier's details. The supplier code and supplier description are the only required fields in this section. Do note that these need to be unique. Though not required, it is recommended that you fill out the remaining details, such as the currency, the tax details, delivery lead time, and purchase order cost distribution method. You can also create reminders here specific to the supplier, which will pop up each time they are selected on a purchase order. The Address tab is where you keep your supplier's postal and physical addresses, and the Contacts tab will hold any contact details for the supplier, including the primary contact person. The Purchases, Returns and Costings tabs will show you all the related transactions the supplier is connected to. And finally, the Attachments tab is where you can load images or files related to your supplier. Once everything has been added, click the Save button. Please also note that you can create a purchase order from within the supplier record.